Number 28, we're simplifying the expression, and we have x to the 6th times y to the negative 5 over x to the negative 2 y cubed. Now, this is very similar to number 27, except now we have some negative exponents that we're working with. So just like before, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite what we were given. So to the negative 5 over x to the minus 2 y cubed. All right, so if we look at what we were given, we can do this number 28 in a couple different ways. We can either, first and foremost, make all of our exponents positive, or we can go ahead and start reducing. I like making my exponents positive before I do anything as far as dividing, simplifying. So we can see that we have a y to the negative 5 upstairs. We know in order to make this negative 5 positive, we have to move it downstairs. Because it started upstairs as a negative exponent, if we move it downstairs, that exponent becomes positive. Same thing here with our x to the negative 2. Can't have this negative 2, but because it's downstairs, in order to make that exponent positive, we're going to move it upstairs. And so rewriting our expression here, we have x to the 6th, which isn't going to move because it was positive, it was fine. And we just brought up an x to the negative 2, but by bringing it up, that negative 2 becomes positive 2, over y cubed, which was downstairs, that didn't have to go anywhere. And we just brought down this y to the negative 5, but by bringing it down, that negative 5 becomes positive 5. And now we can go ahead and simplify here. So we have x to the 6th times x squared. Well, we know when we multiply like bases, here the base is x, when we multiply like bases, we simply add those exponents. And so we end up with x to the 8th. 6 plus 2 is 8. Here on in the bottom, our denominator, we have y cubed times y to the 5th. Again, we're multiplying like bases, and so all we do is add those exponents. And so in this case, we end up with y to the 8th as well. And here we can't reduce this. Why? Because the base is x in the numerator, the base is y in the denominator, and so our final answer is simply x to the 8th over y to the 8th.